guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Dollar Tree. This is a little bit of a different video. I'm mostly shopping for items for a DIY project video that I'm working on for Valentine's Day. Be sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss my first Dollar Tree DIY video. After my shopping trip, stay tuned for a haul of all the items that I picked up, and let me know in the comments below if you think you know what type of items I will be making. Hope you enjoy this video and talk to you when I get home for the haul.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Hi guys, so I made it back home and I'm going to go ahead and show you all of the items that I picked up. I picked up some roses in red and white. I also saw these big bag of Cracker Jacks. Usually Dollar Tree carries the little tiny boxes of them, but I was so excited to see this large size. I also came across these David's sunflower seeds. They had the pumpkin ones and also the salted and roasted. I could not pass up on this notebook with the pink and white lines and also the rose gold foil that said "Be Beautiful." I also picked up these rub-on transfer gold foil letter stickers. I have a project that I'm going to be working on in my DIY video that I am planning on using these for, so stay tuned to see how I make these work. I also picked up these beautiful pink and red glittered heart stickers, and also these love and heart stickers that are glittered from Dollar Tree. I also picked up these basket bags. I had never seen this color before, and also this one was a 2-pack. I have seen the clear ones before that come in the 1-pack, but I also needed to pick this up for a DIY project. I could not go to the Dollar Tree and pass on the skincare section, so I was so excited to see the Global Beauty Care serum. I haven't come across this product before, and I was really excited to see that they were carrying it. I've never tried this before, so I'm really excited. If you'd like a review on it after I try it, head over to my Instagram and I'll let you know what I think about it. I also came across these Essie socks that were infused with aloe. I was really excited about these. And I also came across these Human Knowledge Crew socks. I've never seen these at Dollar Tree before, and I knew they had to be a brand name. So I looked them up in the store, and believe it or not, they were at Walmart for $16. So I definitely had to go ahead and pick it up. I had also seen a review from one of my friends on Instagram on these Sour Patch Kids Conversation Candy Hearts. I couldn't pass these up, and I definitely had to give them a try. I don't regret whatsoever. If you see these, definitely pick them up. They are really yummy. I also had to pick up these Duncan Hines Chewy Fudge Brownie Mix. I did pick up 2 of these. I did make one of them, and they are delicious. So if you see this, I definitely recommend. And also for another DIY project, I picked up these red, beautiful glittered ribbon from Dollar Tree in the Valentine's Day section. Stay tuned to see how I put these to use in my next video. I also had to pick up this plastic balloon pump. I'm not exactly sure how this is going to work for me. I will go ahead and give you an update on my Instagram if you're interested or if you've been eyeing this product. I don't really have high hopes for it. I mean, it was just $1. But I'm hopeful and I'm hoping that it works out great. I also came across all of these heart stickers in the Valentine's Day section at Dollar Tree. I definitely wanted to pick up these felt stickers. They will be incorporated in my next video in my DIY projects. I absolutely love the one that has the tiny little diamonds in it. I think it's so cute and it can be used in so many different ways. They also had some that didn't have any stitching or any diamonds in it that are just plain and really cute. I also had to pick up these table scatter glittered pink and red hearts. I will be decorating around the house for Valentine's Day, and I thought these would be the perfect little touch to scatter all over the tables. And in the party section, I came across these balloon glue dots. These would be perfect if you're trying to make an arch or if you just want to glue your balloons to the ceiling. I have seen glue dots in the stationery section before, but to see them specified just for balloons is perfect. I also found these 22-inch Love air-filled balloons in red and pink. These will be incorporated in my Valentine's Day decorations. And also for my DIY projects, I needed some jute twine. So I found these 3-piece ones in the tools section. It is 100 feet per roll. And then in the crafters square section, I found this natural jute cord, and this one was 256 feet, so approximately 300, which would equal the 3 of them. However, as far as the quality goes, I do prefer the crafters square one. I just think it's a lot sturdier and a lot nicer looking, but it's totally up to you. And in the Valentine's Day section, I came across these really cute heart baskets in pink. They also have them in red, but I preferred the pink ones. These also will be incorporated in my next video. And this one was perfect because you actually get 2 for $1. I also was on the hunt for 2 frames for my next video. And this one was a beautiful gold glittered 5x7 frame. And I also picked up this beautiful white and gold trim frame 5x7 as well. I also was on the hunt for really pretty Valentine's Day cards. I absolutely loved this macaroon one. These are Hallmark cards and they are just 2 cards for $1. Dollar Tree is the perfect place if you want to stock up on greeting cards. They have Hallmark branded cards, just 2 for $1. You couldn't beat that. And the next card I picked up was this beautiful pink foiled heart with flowers all around it that said Happy Valentine's Day. And also in the crafters square section, I came across this retractable pen holder. You can use these for your brushes, for your pencils or pens, or also for a small poster. I was also so excited to find this pink burlap ribbon in the Dollar Tree's crafters section. Stay tuned to see how I put this to use in my next DIY video as well. And this beautiful purse box is also going to be a part of my next video. I cannot wait for you to see the transformation of this. I think it turns out so beautiful, so stay tuned for that. And surprisingly, I couldn't find any pink paint at Dollar Tree, so I picked up these rich art paints in red and white to hopefully make a beautiful pink. And I also picked up some more supplies. These are double-sided tape by Crafters Square. I also couldn't decide what kind of brushes I would need, so I picked up these metal brushes by Crafters Square and also picked up the sponge brush set. You get 6 pieces for $1. I also picked up these white mugs that have this beautiful gold foiled trim around it. These are going to be a part of a project that I'm working on, so stay tuned to see how that turns out. I also picked up one of these floral foams. You get 4 squares in a package for $1. And another item that I have been on the hunt for were these clear white tall candles in the candle section. I have seen some of these in different colors, but I had been on the hunt for the white ones. These will also be incorporated in my next video. along with this floral foam wreath. And also in the sticker section, I came across this wall art. However, I will be incorporating this in my next video, but I will only be using one sticker off of it. So stay tuned to see how that turns out. But this is absolutely beautiful. If you have a little girl, I think she'd definitely love to have this up on her wall to take beautiful pictures with. And also in the crafter square section, I came across this beautiful wooded heart. And as you can imagine, this is also going to be incorporated in my next video. I was also so excited to find these jewel boarded stickers at Dollar Tree. They were so beautiful. And also these 3D butterfly stickers. And this pink beautiful vase will also be in my next video. And I also needed to pick up some more glue. This super glue gel form is one of my favorites from Dollar Tree. I also picked up these heart picks with foam pink hearts at the top. These came in 7 pieces and these were absolutely cute. There's so many different things you can do with them. I also picked up red, pink, and white balloons. I will be making a balloon arch for Valentine's Day. So if you want to check that out, follow me on Instagram to see how that turns out. And I could not believe the Dollar Tree had these balloons in heart shape that were red, pink, and white for Valentine's Day. I'm hoping these definitely turn out to be a nice shape, so stay tuned if you'd like to see if these work out. And some goodies that I picked up in the candy section was this Happy Valentine's Day chocolates heart-shaped box. I also picked up these double crisp hearts. These ones are the crisp and crunchy heart-shaped chocolates. And also to go with that, I picked up the fudge smooth and creamy rich chocolate heart-shaped candy as well. And in the bath section, I came across these 2 new Village Naturals Therapy Aches and Pains Muscle Relief Mineral Bath Soak Salts. This one here is in lavender, and I also picked one up in spearmint. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit subscribe so you don't miss my first DIY Dollar Tree video coming up sometime this week. And please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!